Please note, Aligner's job opportunities is available for almost all the languages, especially all the languages of India, especially Punjabi, Bengali, Hindi, English, Tamil, Gujarati. So please, I forgot to mention in the main audio itself, that is why this second part, rather I'm giving it into the first instance. Hello, good morning to everyone. There's a new opportunity from a company, the platform rather, who are offering a good opportunity to work for their generative AI planning, generative AI board. So, the subject matter experts paving the way for the future of generative AI, spanning over 50 disciplines, or specialize in aligning AI models by generating high quality data. They are offering work from home with a good pay package. It is unbelievable good pay package. See, for example, the benefits of the Alignerr community. Work from home on your own schedule, then extra cash earning, earn extra cash on your schedule, get up to $150 per hour for your contributions to the company. Now, third one is learn new skills. Yes, dive into challenging and exciting tasks while gaining skills and experience. Transparent pay. Know exactly what you are earning with a clear and straightforward pay structure. Who are Aligners? A community of diverse worldwide experts focused on those with backgrounds based on education, masters and PhDs, specialized industry experience, language experts, and more. A global community of experts, Aligners have the freedom to work remote and shape the future of generative AI from anywhere in the world. Spanning 50 plus disciplines, Aligners are highly trained experts in their field from STEM, coding, language, and more. When you log into the site or even open the site, you can see that there are so many type of job positions: coders, freelance, remote, then AI training generalist, freelance remote, that also, then AI trainer for Arabic writers and speakers, then the opportunity, then AI trainer for Korean writers, speakers, that is also freelance, then AI trainer for German writers and speakers, then AI training technical writers, and so many more. Learn how to become an Aligner today. Discover the key steps you will complete on your way to a new flexible source of income, and that also high rate of income. Onboarding at a glance. First step is application. You can apply online. Then second step is identity verification. Third step is the online interview by juror. Then additional assessments, billing sign up, that is how do you want to take your pay. Then Aligner onboarding, which is the final step. Identity verification. Confirm your identity and personal information to ensure the security and integrity of the Alignerr community. They require all applicants to verify their identity. The first step is to verify your phone number through a text message, then complete identity verification with, personal to complete a safe and trusted ID verification. You can use a previously saved ID or will be prompted to capture a photo of your official identification document to complete the step. Third step, Jira AI interview. Meet Jira. Jira is our AI pod interviewer who captures your unique skills and expertise in just 15 minutes. Pick a time that works for you to have a customized chat in your preferred language. Highlight unique expertise. Use the interview to delve deeper into your skills and passions. It's more than just a resume review. It's a chance to showcase your unique experience to help them match you with projects where you can best contribute meaningful insights. Additional assessments, demonstrable domain-specific expertise to ensure they can actually match you with suitable projects. They offer additional assessment for some aligners based on their skills. This assessment verifies your fluency in a given language or knowledge in specific areas. Complete different languages interviews. Many aligners are fluent in many languages. Multilingual projects are very common, so additional assessments are used to measure fluency in a variety of languages. Contract and bidding setup. Welcome to the Alignerr community. Congratulations, you have reached this stage. Your application has been approved. I will receive an email invitation to officially join the Alignerr community and complete additional paperwork with Dill, our the trusted payment partner. Complete your sign up with Dill. Dill process typically takes about 10 minutes and will be redirected to Dill's secure website to complete this process. Note that you may be asked to provide some information you have already shared. We apologize for redundancy. And final step, complete your training. You'll receive email invitation to access our training platform, the Alignerr Onboarding Academy. It consists of 4 short courses that will familiarize you with key tools and processes, including an intro to the Level Box platform. Explore this course as part of your onboarding. Will also be introduced to Discourse, the dedicated platform for knowledge sharing, project notifications, and community building. Discourse offers organized and searchable conversations, making it easy to find past discussions, project updates, and important information. After onboarding, key Alignerr tools and systems will be introduced. Deal.com. Deal is the trusted partner for secure and efficient global payments, ensuring you get paid quickly and easily. Discourse. Discourse is their dedicated platform for knowledge sharing, project notifications, and community building. Level Box platform. Box is the platform used for most projects to label, rate, check, and align data for AI models. They have given the frequently asked questions. For example, how is performance and data quality measured? How does it impact opportunities for future projects? and they provide the answers to this. All projects go through a calibration phase where sample work is labeled and reviewed. Label box maintains performance metrics for both quality and speed to build a composite score for each task project and all aligners on each project. All work is reviewed for quality in a variety of ways, including concessions, that is, competition to fellow aligners, AI critic, manual review, quality assessments for random samples. Rework rates are act- actively maintained for each aligner, project, and client to access quality and calibrate. A summary of the typical performance labels include top performance quality data is consistently accepted in a timely manner. Opportunity for better pay rates and or additional responsibilities like reviewer, project coordinator roles or aligner connect. Great performance quality data is accepted and paid. Work experience will lead to additional work projects. Inconsistent or irregular performance quality data is accepted and paid. Higher rework rates and/or inconsistent time to deliver may result in removal from project. Limited feature projects to ensure the quality of output for customers. Fraudulent work rejected and not paid. There are so many FAQ questions, so you can There are so many FAQ questions. You can find it even before the joining on their website itself. Currently, there are so many job opportunities. For example, AI trainer, COBOL developer, AI trainer for accounting. That is also freelance and remote. AI trainer for agriculture, freelance and remote. AI trainer for algebra. AI trainer for analytical chemistry. AI trainer for Arabic writers. Then AI trainer for Arabic writers and speakers. AI trainer for Arabic writers and speakers again for the higher rate. AI trainer for Arabic writers and speakers, Saudi Arabia. Then AI trainer for arithmetic, which is freelance and remote. AI trainer for earth history. AI trainer for astrophysics, like those. So many opportunities are there. Make sure you are typing correctly on your browser the website's name. It is, I just spelled it out. I'll be giving in writing here also. Please note that it is A for America, L for London, I for India, G for Great Britain, N for Norway, E for England, then R for Romania, again R for Romania.com, Alignerr.com. That is the website's name. You can find more information from the website itself before you signing up. Just sign up and start earning $150 per hour. It's a great opportunity.